Common mistakes to avoid with septic tank treatment. A septic system is essential for managing household wastewater, but many homeowners unknowingly damage their system through simple mistakes. These errors can lead to costly repairs, unpleasant odors, and even system failure. By understanding what to avoid, you can keep your septic tank running efficiently for years. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Here are 10 common mistakes and how to prevent them. 1. Flushing the wrong items. Toilet paper is the only thing that should be flushed besides human waste. Items like wipes, even flushable ones, feminine products, and paper towels can clog pipes and fill up the tank too quickly. 2. Using too much water. Using too much water at once can overload your septic system. Avoid running multiple water-heavy appliances at the same time, like dishwashers, washing machines, and showers. Spacing out water usage helps your system process waste properly. 3. Pouring chemicals down the drain. Household cleaners, bleach, and antibacterial soaps can kill the bacteria inside your septic tank. These bacteria are necessary for breaking down waste. Instead, use septic-safe cleaners to protect your system. 4. Skipping regular pumping. Septic tanks need to be pumped every 3 to 5 years, depending on their size and usage. Failing to do this leads to sludge buildup, which can cause backups and system failure. 5. Planting trees near the drain field. Tree roots naturally seek moisture, making your drain field a perfect target. These roots can invade pipes and cause expensive damage. Keep trees and shrubs at a safe distance from your septic system. 6. Driving over the septic system. Septic tanks and drain fields are not designed to support heavy weights. Parking cars, placing heavy machinery, or building structures over these areas can cause pipes to collapse and lead to costly repairs. 7. Ignoring warning signs. Slow drains, bad smells, gurgling sounds in pipes, or wet spots near the drain field can indicate a problem. Addressing these early warning signs can prevent bigger issues down the line. 8. Relying on additives. Many septic tank additives claim to improve performance, but they can do more harm than good. Some break down waste too quickly, causing solids to move into the drain field and clog it. Regular maintenance is a better solution. 9. Disposing of grease and food waste. Pouring grease, oil, and food scraps down the drain can lead to blockages. Grease hardens inside pipes, and food waste can increase sludge buildup. Use a grease trap and compost food scraps instead. 10. Installing the wrong size tank. A septic tank that's too small for your household won't handle waste properly. It will need frequent pumping and may fail early. Make sure your system is sized correctly for the number of people in your home. Avoiding these common mistakes can help you extend the life of your septic system and prevent expensive repairs. By using water wisely, disposing of waste properly, and keeping up with maintenance, you can ensure your septic system works smoothly for years to come. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.